Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Infinix Note 11 Pro. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Infinix is willing to unveil Note 11, which has got a moniker Pro at the end. The Chinese company is launching two new handsets of its Note series, which will be launched in the global market. The upcoming smartphone of the company will be in its mid-range segment and will be called Infinix Note 11 Pro. The smartphone will be empowered by the powerful chipset called MediaTek Helio G96. This is one of the latest flagship chipsets in the market, and to give more power to this Infinix's Note 11 Pro, it has a 2.05 GHz octa-core processor inside the handset. The handset has got an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and there is a big screen size of 6.95 inches. The users will enjoying using this screen size. The smartphone Infinix Note 11 is going to have a full HD plus resolution of 1080x 2460 pixels. And also in this device, there is a powerful GPU called ARM Mali G57 under the hood of this smartphone. The SoC of the smartphone paired with 8GB of RAM means that the upcoming smartphone Note 11 Pro by Infinix is having to be very fast in its execution. The internal storage is 128GB, which is enough to store a huge amount of data for future usage. The Infinix 11 Pro has got a triple camera setup. The main lens of the setup will be 64 megapixels wide, along with a 13 megapixels ultra-wide shooter and a 2 megapixels depth lens to capture excellent photography. The front facing of Infinix Note 11 Pro is packed with a 16 megapixels front selfie camera setup. The smartphone has got side-mounted fingerprint sensor to secure your data. The battery of the phone is also a massive one. The smartphone Note 11 Pro is fueled with LiPo non-removable 5000 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone got a fast charging of 33 watt. Now Samsung and other smartphone companies will be looking to bring features like 11 Pro. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.